to achieve this commercial I made for Lamborghini car review, then what you basically need for this is your ChatGPT and your Google Gemini, of which is the access to your Google Veo 3 for your AI generations of realistic images, videos, and the rest. But I basically use it for my commercials, right? Then first of all, if you don't have Google Gemini and ChatGPT, you can basically go to your Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Then from Android phone, if from your Play Store, you can basically search for ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Then you install, of which I have installed mine. Then you can basically go back and search your Gemini. This is your Gemini, right? I've actually installed this Google Gemini to my phone with ChatGPT. Then the next thing is for you to now start to write your prompt, basically, of which if you are writing your prompt, basically you're going to write how you want that particular ad to show, how you want the commercial to be popped out, the color of the commercials, the angle, the perspective, the realistic videos of that commercials, and the angles, how you want the settings to be. That is what is going to be in that particular prompt. Then for my own, I use JSON prompt. I have a master JSON prompt commercial creations I created basically for using JSON code for my commercials basically, and of which if you need, I will send you those commercials for your ads. Then what you are going to do is this: you're going to write a JSON prompt for your commercial using your ChatGPT, or basically you can ask your ChatGPT to give you a perfect JSON prompt for maybe Lamborghini car reviews or Bentley car reviews, or your watch new products car reviews such as watch, or maybe food commercials, or whatever kind of commercials you are creating. Then basically for this particular commercial, I've been using this particular JSON prompt for this Lamborghini for different products, and which I very much enjoyed it, how it showed in this particular Lamborghini car reviews. Then I'll basically go to my this is my MS Word. I wrote this particular commercials using JSON code, not with what is it, ChatGPT, right? I cooled down and crafted this particular prompt for this Lamborghini car reviews. I think it took me like 2 weeks to complete this particular prompt for these things. So if you could look at this, you can find out that this is not basically a normal prompt from ChatGPT. It's a JSON code prompt for realistic and for cinematic commercials, right? Then if I want to use this thing to create ads, I'll basically copy all of these codes from here, then go to my Gemini or go to my Veo 3 and paste it. It basically show me all of these things I basically need in the car reviews, right? If you look at this code, you're going to see that the prompt name is Lamborghini 360 Drop Cinematic Assembly, right? 360 drops. When it drops, it is going to assemble itself. That is 360 drop cinematic assembly. Then the base style is cinematic, photorealistic 4K, high quality reflections, ultra realistic carbon fiber and metallic texture. Aspect ratio is 16 by 9. That is, it's going to be in rectangular in a rectangular shape, right? Then for video, but if you want this to maybe be in portrait, you can basically make it portrait, maybe 9 by 16, however you want it to be, right? Then if you go back, we are going to see the room description for these ads, how the room should be: a sleek, dimly lit luxury automotive showcase room with reflective black marble floor, right? Then this is the camera setup, right? A fixed wide angle camera positioned slightly below center to capture the dramatic descent and full 360-degree rotation of the car, right? The camera is not going to shake. It's going to be straight up, like capture everything that happens in these car reviews. Then this is the lightning, dynamic high contrast spotlights following the car duration descent. Then brand style, key elements of the car reviews, visual focus, color palettes, negative prompt. This is what I don't want to appear. No people, no clutter, no text overlays, no shaky camera, no distracting, no blur, no cartoon effect. Understand? This is what I don't really need in the commercial. So I should basically put it as negative prompt. Understand? So it's going to abhor all of these things if it sees it. Then this is what will happen in sequence 1. This is basically 8 seconds video creation, of which this is what will happen from 0 seconds to 1 second, right? This happens 1 second to 2 seconds. This one happens 2 seconds to 5 seconds. Then this happens 5 seconds to 7 seconds. And this happens 7 seconds to 8 seconds, right? You can see that every bit of this thing is detailed, right? So if you care for this particular commercials script, I'm going to send this to you maybe in the comment section via emails or any platform. Then by the end, it's going to show below it is going to show the text Sabit Media. This is basically my YouTube channel name, right? Every of my ads shows this. I'm going to copy all of these things. Do select all, copy. Then straight up, I'll go to my Google Gemini. If I go to my Google Gemini, I'll basically go to create video, right? Then paste these prompts in this my Google Gemini, right? Make sure I copied everything, right? And click on go. It is going to process this video and give me my output, right? I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready, right? Let's wait and see. So if you are copying any of these things, make sure you don't miss. If you're even editing any of these scripts, make sure you don't edit even the semicolon or colon, the curly braces or the comma, right? Any place you see comma, make sure you put it, because if you remove any of those commas, you may not really get the effect you need or the commercials you need, and it's going to be waste your credit in this, right? Because each of these things has cost 20 credits, right? So let's check from the beginning. This is it from the beginning, and if you are pasting your prompt, you make sure that this is exactly what you want to show. Go to the starting of the prompt. This is 001 to 002. Check if this is what you actually want. Then you check 002 to 005 and all of these things, and make sure that this is basically what you want. If it's not what you want, you can take it to Microsoft Word and edit it the way you want. If you are editing it, make sure you cool down and edit it. You can see that our video is ready. Look at our video. Your video is basically ready, right? Then
your video is ready.
You can see. Look at it now. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the commercials? Are you seeing the commercials now? Let's see. Look at it now. Car reviews. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing these car reviews? So this is basically a video. If you want to create this, you can use any product of your choice while rewriting this particular snippet.